Welcome to our tutorial on transforming your advertising game with AI. In today's fast-paced digital world, crafting ads that captivate and engage is more crucial than ever. Whether you're marketing in the bustling streets of London or the innovative hubs of Singapore, this guide will show you how AI can be your secret weapon in creating compelling advertisements. Let's begin by understanding the traditional challenges marketers face. Often, crafting an ad that truly resonates involves time-consuming processes, guesswork, and sometimes a hefty budget. But what if there was a smarter way to capture your audience's attention? Enter AI, the game changer in advertising. From analyzing consumer behavior to generating creative content, AI tools offer unparalleled advantages. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only understands your audience, but predicts their needs and preferences. This is the power of AI, and today, we'll explore how you can leverage it. First, let's dive into AI-driven analytics. With AI, you can sift through vast amounts of data to uncover insights about your target audience. This means knowing exactly what appeals to your audience in New York and what might turn heads in Istanbul. Next, consider AI in content creation. Tools like AI-powered design platforms can automatically generate ad visuals and copy that are not only eye-catching, but also personalized. By using AI, you can ensure your advertisements are tailored to specific demographics, whether you're reaching out to tech-savvy consumers in Germany or creative communities in Ireland. Now let's look at AI's role in optimizing ad performance. AI algorithms can test multiple versions of your ad in real time, learning which elements work best. This continuous optimization helps you get the most out of your advertising budget, ensuring your campaigns are as effective as possible. As we wrap up, remember that AI isn't just a tool, it's an ally. It empowers you to create ads that not only speak to your audience, but engage them on a deeper level. By integrating AI into your advertising strategy, you're not just keeping up with trends, you're setting new standards in engagement. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of advertising. We hope you're inspired to harness the power of AI to craft ads that captivate audiences from the USA to Switzerland and everywhere in between. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to elevate your marketing game. Until next time, happy advertising.